How to make money online in 2025. It's 2025, and the online income game has changed forever. Want to quit your 9-to-5? Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are booming again, with AI-augmented services in high demand. E-commerce is smarter than ever. With dropshipping automation and AI product research, you can launch in days, not months. Affiliate marketing? Still hot. But now, platforms with built-in AI tools are leveling the playing field. And the best part? Most of these income streams require no tech skill, just consistency, curiosity, and a laptop. This is your year. Don't just scroll. Start building your online income today. Stay tuned. We will be sharing something very soon that everyone, anywhere can succeed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like and ring the bell.